Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you a super easy crochet strap pattern. This versatile design is very easy to make and you can make it in no time. Let's dive in and start crocheting. We will start with a slip knot, so wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now you have 2 loops on your finger, grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. This is the slip knot and we will insert the hook into the slip knot and get ready with the foundation. Chain 4 as the foundation. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Like that we will continue 2, 3 and 4. And then we need to work 3 double crochets inside the first chain over here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain of the foundation, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. We need to make 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Now we have completed 3 double crochets here. This is what it looks like. And then chain 1 and work 2 more double crochets inside the same chain. 1 and 2. And then we will chain 1 and turn the work. Now we are going to work 2 slip stitches. First one into this first stitch here. Skip the first chain and go into this stitch and work a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. This is the slip stitch. Again work another slip stitch on top of the next double crochet here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. Now we need to go into the chain 1 space and work another slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we move the loop into the chain 1 space. And then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to work into the chain 1 space. Work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then chain 1 and work 2 more double crochets inside the same chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat. Chain 1 and turn the work. After that work 2 slip stitches into the first 2 stitches here. And then we will move into the chain 1 space and work a slip stitch. 1, 2, and then work a slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and another 2 double crochets inside the same chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Again we will repeat the pattern. Chain 1, turn the work, work 2 slip stitches. 1 and 2. Again work 1 more slip stitch into the chain 1 space and then repeat the pattern. Chain 3, work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, another 2 double crochets into the same chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Again chain 1 and turn the work. Now we can just repeat the pattern until we get the desired length of the project. Just repeat the pattern until you get the required length and meet me back there at the end. Now I have completed a few more steps. This is what it looks like. To finish off, what we need to do is chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed making this simple crochet strap pattern. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Until next time, happy crocheting!